welcome back to another Python tutorial. So here we're looking at something very cool and very awesome. And what is that? And that is list comprehensions. It's a powerful feature in a Python language. It generates a new list by applying a function to every member of an original list. And Python programmers use list comprehensions extensively. So we are going to see many of them in a real code. And the syntax for this is expression, for the name and the list. So this is the basic syntax for writing list comprehensions. Let's look at the example and see how it works. I'll go ahead and go to run. I want to generate this guy because I like using it now. I said I won't use it again. Come on, yes. Okay. So it's easier for me than 7 and 7 always. Let's say I have a list L equal to 4, 1. What am I writing, George? 1, 3, 5, 2. I think that is okay. I close this guy. So if I want to use the list comprehension here, I'm going to click enter. And when I click enter, I'm going to say, remember the syntax again. The expression, that is element. When I use element, that's a multiply by 2. Give a space for element in list. I'll close this guy. So I click this guy. So all these guys are multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 8, and 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So you can see how we applied to arithmetic progression to all these guys. Now this is geometrical. It's not arithmetic progression, it's geometrical progression, guys. So you can see how we applied it, and once it all moved. So expression for name, then in list, where expression is some calculations or operation. So let me give us the basic syntax again. Expression for name and list. So we're going to use this guy to explain this. Okay, so the expression here is the element, is the calculation or the operation that is done acting upon the variable name. Okay, so and for each member of the list comprehension sets name equal to the member and calculates a new value using the expression. It then collects these values into a list, which is the return value of the list comprehensions. So this is how we use lists. You use it extensively in programming, and you're going to meet a lot of them. So if the elements of list are other collections, then name can be replaced by a collection of names that match the shape of the list member. Let's say I'm going to put another one. Let me say we have this. So let me say list equal to, let's say A equal to 3. Across this guy, semicolon, and another one B equal to 7. Equal to 7. Across this guy, and have another one C. So we can put as many as we want and test it out. Let's get this guy 7, 2. So I'm gonna close this. then that is okay. I'm gonna hit enter. If I hit enter, I'm gonna put, I'm using another variable name. So let me use George. This George can be a small letter, guys. George multiply, let's say by 3. Give a space. 4. George for X. George in list. Okay, this is okay. So multiply all these guys by 3, and 3 divide this 9, 27, 6. So this is how you can use list comprehensions always. They're very cool, they're very interesting. Play around with it and see what you get. In case you have any problem, try to box me. I'm gonna respond back to you as soon as possible.